Guys, welcome to our next video in the playlist Google Earth Engine for the beginners. So in today's video we will learn how to threshold an image. Primarily it's also called as a binary classification for any image. So in today's video we will first create an NDVI image, and we will apply and implement the threshold for the vegetated areas. So let's start. So as usual, we are using our Sentinel-2 data. So import it, rename it as S2, and create a region of interest in order to make the process uh, faster. So rename it as ROI and change it to feature collection, add the properties. So it's all basic now. So uncheck the geometry now. So filter our satellite data in order to create our image. So first filter them by bounds using the function filter dot filter bounds, and also filter them by date. Let's filter it to the latest to 2024 January to October. Okay, and also filter the cloud cover in order to get a better image of the resolution 10 meter. So filter metadata is the function which we are using to filter the cloud pixel percentage. So it has to be string, and give the arguments less than 1%. So the our cloud pixel percentage should be less than 1% in our resulting image. And let's use the median function and also clip it to region of interest. So there is no need to visualize our image. We did this earlier many times. So directly we are going to create our NDVI to the image which we have selected, and use the function normalized difference between the near infrared band and red band. Okay, so you can also rename it as NDVI. Rename this band as NDVI. So it's optional, so you can leave it as it is. So now let us add our NDVI map to the layer in order to know the difference between the final thresholded image and the NDVI image. So let's also define these visual parameters. So minimum should be -1. It's standard for the NDVI maps, and palette should be, let's say, blue for the negative values and white for the neutrals. It means barren land, and green for the vegetated areas. So yeah, let's give run. So yeah, the layer is loading now. So yeah, the NDVI map has been loading. Okay, so here you can see the range from -1 to +1. Now you can also stretch to 100%. So this is the actual range of the image from -0.152 or +0.86. You can apply. So clearly the water bodies, the green areas and the barren lands are visible. So if you want to have only the two classes as vegetated and non-vegetated, we can apply the threshold. So let's assume that for point 0.3 it has been declared as a vegetated area. So let's check our imported areas. So the white areas, green areas are near to the point 0.8 value. So we're using the inspector column now. So 0.5 is also white line here. So for the blue values, it is the water which are in the negative, and the white areas are near to 0.3. So let's assume that 0.5 and behind are the vegetated values. So let's create an new variable, say thresholded. Okay, so select our ndvi layer dot we are using the function gt, which stands for greater than zero point 0.5. We can also use greater than or equal to less than functions. So I'm using the greater than function. So let's add this layer to the map using the function map dot add layer. We are adding thresholded map. Okay, so minimum should be say 0 and maximum should be 1, because it's a binary classification. So this 1 values will be given to the green areas and 0 will be for the non-green areas, and let the palette should be uh, white and green. So rename it as binary. Okay, give run. So you can use the control plus enter to run any function in the script. So clearly you can see now our thresholded image has been classified into a binary. So this image has filtered out the three class the continuous classes of the NDVI layer, and now it is only a binary. It has only two values, 0 and 1. 0 stands for the non-vegetation area and 1 stands for the vegetated area. So like this you can also use many function. Instead of greater than, you can use uh, less than, or greater than or equals to. So you can also change the values according to your image. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have understood how to apply and threshold to an image. So if you have any kind of doubts, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.